All right, folks, they have some cars for sale. It's a 1972 TR6. What are you asking for it? 22? Little sports car here, folks. Buy this for your wife. You'll be happy.
Yep.
Are all these cars here at Car Corral?
The car corral kind of ends here, and then that's all the car shows.
Oh, okay. So there's only a few cars in the Car Corral.
Yeah, in order to sell it, I had to put it this side. Yeah.
Well, good luck with it. All right, folks, we got a GTO with a 455 CID. Bad. And he's asking $54,000.
Really?
So it says on there. All right, we're going to work our way down here. Yes, we got a Chevelle SS. It's not a stock motor, though.
No.
It's got a blower on it. It blows air. There's a Cutlass. Okay, and we got ourselves a Dodge Charger. This is a little bit older than the famous 79, 70 Chargers. Howdy. Is that your truck?
Yep, look at the inside of it.
What year is that?
50.
50? All right. The Fear Fest info, it says there's a limo. I mean a hearse. And this guy here has got no airbags. We die like real men. That's nice. That's reassuring. And there's an MG. Is that an MG GT? Oh, it's a TD. It says on there. There's a little street rod, folks. This car is 223 miles, built in 1968. That's a nice little ride. Here, we're gonna go over here now. There's a BMW. That's a station wagon. There's the happy owner. What do you got for motor in this?
Just a simple 4-cylinder. Completely stock.
Yeah, I like your racks and stuff.
Thank you. I got another one.
You'll be on there. Okay. Looks like an old Model T. Oh, and there it is. That's a famous AMC, this Eagle. This was a four-wheel drive model of this Eagle. They didn't make a lot of them. Didn't sell a lot of them. There's two Eagles next to each other. You didn't see that very often. That one's more like a station wagon. This one's more like a passenger car. The back end. Sure. GTO. All right. We got some Mopars over here.
It's kind of, I don't know, I haven't gotten right.
It's a long one. This is a Fury 3. There it is, folks. The TA Challenger with that 340 6-pack. There's the swap stick auto on it. It looks nice, though. And we got the Dodge Charger. It looks nice, that red on that. It's an RT. And then the Camaro SS. 396. I'd love to have one of these. Not this week, but it looks nice. This Dodge 3-door. Another Dodge Charger. And then a Plymouth Satellite convertible. It's got the Super Commando 440 in it. It's nice, clean. And then the Corvette Stingray. It's an older model. It's original condition, huh?
65, yeah.
You can tell by, you know, what they call that, a Survivor.
Yes. It's got flared fenders, but it's more or less original other than that.
Cool. All right, got another 56 Chevrolet. Is this a 55?
54.
54. I thought it looked a little different.
55.
Okay. Yeah, that looks nice. 54 Chevy. You don't see as many of those around. And there's a nice, it's a Super Bee. I get some nice badging for those Super Bees. They have these posts on the hood and stuff like this, this metal, so you can display the engine and stuff. It's pretty nice. It's kind of a giveaway when I show you where I'm at. I have to be careful because registered trademarks and stuff. There's a Nomad. All right, folks. We're going to leave it at that.